Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Rajan Kumar. I'm the CEO and founder of Ateios Systems. Here at Ateios Systems, we are building the manufacturing process that will enable better batteries. Batteries are the key component that is powering our modern world. But not many people know that the key component that drives these batteries is actually taking battery materials and coating it into a film that goes into form factors that we are familiar with today. It's these batteries or these electrodes that determine the performance and cost that go to power all of our devices, from our drones to our power tools and e-bikes. And it's such impactful because the materials and the manufacturing for this electrode accounts for almost 85% of the battery cost. And the problem is that the way we've been manufacturing these components relies on a process that has not changed in the past 50 years and is extremely inefficient. Where we take these battery powders, we mix them with polymers that require high temperature toxic solvents to make a resin that can be coated, and then these solvents don't provide any utility, so we use massive amount of ovens, over 80 meters in a typical gig factory, to remove them, to have a dry film. And because of this process, we see high costs. We see these polymers are very brittle and resulting in low quality or low yield. They're limiting also the ability to increase the energy density of batteries, and it's still a process that has a negative impact on the environment, creating emissions and using forever chemicals. So we need a new solution if we want to be able to achieve the DOE goals of cleanly storing 10 terawatts of energy storage. And that's where Ateios has a solution. This is a technology that was developed by Oak Ridge National Lab, and we have the exclusive license, where they were inspired by the process where you, instead of taking polymers that require solvents, taking small polymers that are already liquid state that allow the same mixing and converting, but you just shower them with electrons and they instantly solidify. And this is where a process where you see no retooling, no solvents, and almost no capex and opex, resulting in ability to shrink the facility to a fraction of size while lowering costs, enabling higher quality or higher yields, improving energy density, and enabling a process that uses no emissions and PFAs. And what's so exciting about this process, you can take these polymers and apply them to all types of batteries, from lithium-ion, sodium, and so much more, for all batteries. And we actually delivered the world's first forever chemical-free battery using this process. And so we have an incredible opportunity to supply the $85 billion market, as these components make up $70 billion. And we've already released our first production grade product, serving 40% of the market. And in 2 or 3 years, we'll be able to get to 80%. And this is our unique strategy to get to market very fast. Instead of retooling and building new factories, we are actually working with the leading manufacturers to retrofit their existing lines. This is allowing us to build gigawatt production within less than 2 years in very minimal capex and opex. This is where, with our current production and our capabilities, we've already generated $1.83 million of revenue in 2023. And we're now raising $8 million, enabling us to build a capacity of over $500 million worth of production capacity. And our goal is now to fulfill that to capacity. And I'm confident that we can do that because every battery startup challenge is transitioning their technology from the lab to production. What we have done is we have incubated in the right facilities that have taken the technology from Oak Ridge in the lab to pilot facilities at the Battery Innovation Center, which immediately translated to production with our Fortune 500 partners, allowing us to deliver a production grade product in less than 9 months. And we have the leadership to do it. I have over a decade of semiconductor and battery manufacturing experience, and everyone in my team member here has direct battery manufacturing experience due to our incubation. And I know that we can provide a great return for both the investors and the community because we've been able to show that. We've been able to deliver a production grade battery for less than $3 million. We are the first battery startup